The key to big leg, especially if you're tall, is full range of motion. I'm off work from today till next week, Tuesday. I and my girlfriend are going to Oxford for a weekend. What the F do I pack? When it comes to packing, there are more or less two ways you can do it. You can either plan your outfits like my girlfriend does, but for me, I don't really plan my outfits because they all look the same. I'm gonna go to the gym, so I'm gonna have 2 shirts for... So I got 2 bags from COS. One is a large one and one is a small one. And for both of them, I wanted a bag where I could more or less fit my camera and some other stuff. So this is a smaller one, as you can see. Also, I needed a shoulder strap that was big enough to go around my back. So this is a smaller one. I like it. It looks really nice. Even with this outfit, it goes well. And then the bigger one, this for if, for example, I'm going out like for the whole day, more or less. And I want to put a camera, a small tripod, even like a can of Coke, my wallet, like a lot of stuff can fit in this bag. And again, the shoulder strap is big enough for me. And yeah, it's very minimal, it's black. Even this looks very good with this outfit. And that way, when you go out, or when I go out, I don't have to give my girlfriend my stuff to carry in her bag because yeah, that's quite annoying to be fair. So. I feel like I've not done one of these sit down and talk videos in quite a while, but the topic I want to talk about. Everyone always asks, how do you invest? The first step in investing is finding a broker of your choice. How do you choose a broker? You choose a broker based on, number one, the instruments the broker offers. For example, Vanguard only offers ETFs and index funds. If that's a deal breaker for you, then don't choose Vanguard. Fidelity offers ETFs, index funds, mutual funds, but doesn't really offer a lot of individual stocks. If that's a deal breaker for you, do not choose Fidelity. Trading 212 offers ETFs, index funds, and individual stocks, but no mutual funds. If that's a deal breaker for you, then don't choose Trading 212. Also, you think about the cost. What's the cost of having an account open, and also the cost I get charged when I make an investment. There's no such thing as zero cost platform when it comes to investing. There will always be a cost to invest. Now, once you've chosen your broker, let's say for example, you chose Vanguard because you only care about investing in ETFs and index funds, you need to choose the type of account to invest in. And in general, there are 2 types, ISA or a general investment account. If you don't have an ISA, you should open an ISA because for the first 20K invested, you pay no tax on your return. So if you have no ISA, then logically, it makes sense to open an ISA with Vanguard. Now, let's say for example, you already have an ISA with Fidelity. Then for Vanguard, maybe you want to open a general investment account. Now you have a broker, you have your account. What's next? The frequency of investing. Most people get paid monthly. So it makes sense to invest on a monthly basis. And you invest monthly by setting up a direct debit with your bank. Do not deceive yourself and say, when I get paid, I will remember to invest the money. I promise you, you're going to forget. Or you use that money to buy shoes instead. So set up a direct debit with your bank account and invest on a monthly basis. In my opinion, you should invest at least 60% of your income after paying your fixed expenses. That is how much you should freaking invest. Now you might say to me, Emeka, this is all fine and dandy, but what should I invest in? I can't tell you. You have to do your own research. You should not take investment advice from me, from anyone on YouTube. No one should be giving you investment advice because at the end of the day, it is your own capital at risk. Do not take your whole life savings and put in Dogecoin like a lot of you did during 2020 and 2021. And with basic level, what do you care about when you're investing? The return and the risk. And also be aware that past performance doesn't mean future performance, but the past tends to look like the future a lot. And I'll say, if you can't be bothered to learn how to invest, which is most people, there's a saying by John Bogle, hopefully I pronounced that correctly, the only way to earn your fair share of returns in the stock market is to invest in a global index fund. And that's all I'm going to say.